Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your family album app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on settings. Down here you just click on it. So when you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down. So then you just click here on configure album details. Just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. You just click here on visit settings. Just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to display album visits here. Just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us. That's mean display album visits enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.